Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the router now. Enter the router IP in your browser and sign in with admin credentials. If you don't know them, check the device label. Once logged in, make sure to note SSID, password, and encryption settings because you may revert or reapply them later. Use a wired connection if possible to avoid locking yourself out, and remember whether devices use 4 GHz versus 5 GHz, so you can target the right band when removing connections. Next, view the attached devices or client list and identify the devices to disconnect by name or MAC address. You can remove them instantly if the interface offers a kick or block function. Otherwise, enable MAC filtering to deny specific addresses or simply change the Wi-Fi password. This forces all clients to re-authenticate. Once done, create a guest network for temporary visitors so you don't expose your main SSID, and make sure to apply strong WPA2 or WPA3 encryption so removed devices cannot rejoin. Finish by saving your changes and rebooting the router if the admin prompts you. Then test connectivity with a known device to confirm unwanted clients are disconnected. If you find you're locked out after a password change, don't panic. Use the physical reset to restore defaults and reconfigure using a secure password. If disconnection fails, update firmware and verify blocking rules, and make sure remote management is disabled unless required. This reduces risk of unauthorized reconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.